Hi guys, today we are going to see the easiest way to create an app connected to Business Central. With just a few clicks, we'll have a beautiful, fancy, three-screen app, fully functional, allowing us to display information, edit, delete, and even create records. Let's see this in action then. Here in the Make Power Apps portal, we can go and hit here, more data sources. This will show us the different data sources that we have created as connector in our portal. Here we can see that I have two, one for Business Central and one for SharePoint. Today we will focus on the Business Central connection. If we hit here, the portal will show the different data sets that we can select. At this point, I just enabled my development environment. And as you can see here, it has just the kernels information. So if we hit this one, we will see the different tables that we can use at this point out of the box to build our app. So if we scroll down, let's see which one. We will pick the customers. Usually we do a lot of things with customers, so we will pick this one. Now hitting connect, and the portal will start making the job for us. This nice gift animation will show us the progress. And finally, here we are, our new, fresh, beautiful, fancy app is ready to work. We can see we have a browser screen, we have the details screen, and the edit screen. The browser is just a gallery with all the records that we have for the customers, with sorting, refresh, and an icon to add new records. We have the detail screen. As you know, the details screen will show the record that we have selected in the browser screen, and the edit screen in case we select this edit a record that is selected in that browser. Let's give it a try. If we hit preview the app just to see how it runs, let's create a new record. Obviously, we can customize and add or remove the different fields that we think should be or not here. Let's add a new record, this one, and let's put a name. Let's leave it with this information. Hit submit the item. It will send an instruction to Business Central, and here we are. We have the new record created. We can come here, we can edit the record and add whatever we need here. Now that we have seen this in action, if we go to the Business Central, we hit customers. Now we see that we have just the standard customers. If we refresh this screen, we see that we have a new record here. You see, it was very easy. These kind of tools are very powerful. I hope you enjoyed this video and you can start playing with these tools. You know, now that Power Platform is very linked with the Business Central, the possibilities are endless. The limit is your imagination. Thank you guys and see you in the next time.